Welcome back to But's Cookhouse. If you like what we're doing, like, share, and subscribe. Tell your mom nothing about us. Today, we're doing red skin potato salad. Now these are cut up about 1 by 1 cubes. We cook these in heavily salted water. Always season your water when you're cooking your potatoes. Now here we got some cold mayonnaise. Now these have been chilling in the fridge. I like to chill my potatoes beforehand. That way it sets a little faster. You don't have that chance of everything getting a little too sloppy. So this is more of an eyeballing type deal. These are 2 pounds of potatoes I have here. So I'm going to start with about 2 scoops of mayonnaise. I like a little kick to mine, so I got spicy brown mustard. We'll add about a 1/4 cup. That's about a 1/4 cup. Got 1 cup of diced onions. 2 large hard-boiled eggs we've cut up. Get all those in there. You'll notice I got gloves on. That's because potatoes are too little delicate. You need a gentle hand to stir them right. Spoon, you know, mashed potatoes in a heartbeat. Also got some bacon. Cook you about 6 strips of bacon in the oven. Not greasy, they come out crisp. They'll hold their shape. Finally, we'll give them a good heavy pinch of fresh dill. About that much. Take over the whole thing as we mix. It's going to incorporate. It's going to be tasty. Take 2 hands. I like using these aluminum pans because you're done, you can toss them, or if you're out, you can wash and reuse them. But if you're out picnicking, it's easier just to toss. And if you're worried about it, they do recycle well. Melt them back down and reform them. You can see here, it's not overly wet potato salad, not like a German style you'll see up in Pennsylvania or your local deli. Just kind of scoop and fold. Make everything nice and incorporated. Take the glove off here. Just got clean hands. We're going to add in a couple pinches of kosher salt. And a few grinds of fresh black pepper. Light mix with your fork, just get that salt and pepper around. We'll give it a taste. All right, let's see what we got here. So you can get a little bacon in there, a little onion. Let's try it out. It's pretty good. All right, we got a little more extra mustard on there. We'll get a spoon out here, fold everything up gently. Just kind of scoop and fold just like we do with our gloved hands. Since we're not mixing too much in, potatoes should hold their shapes. Alright, now we're just going to grab us a little taste here. That's exactly what it needed. A little bit extra kick on the backside. Makes it pretty good. Thanks for joining us today here on Uncle But's Cookhouse. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down in the corner. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We'll see you next time.